Today we're going to learn about human population growth. Humans are organisms, they're animals just like any other, but there are certain things that make human population growth a little bit different. So let's look at those factors. Today you'll learn how to describe the change of human population size over time, explain why population growth rates differ between countries, explain how the environment affects human population changes. What limiting factors affect the human population? How are these limiting factors similar to or different from the limiting factors affecting other populations? Think about it. Humans have a unique ability to alter our environment and to control the effect of limiting factors on our population. Look at this graph. When we talk about the trend in data or the trend in a graph, we're talking about what is that data generally doing. If we look at this lower graph here, we see that the trend is that the human population is gradually increasing right up until around the 1500s, and then it starts increasing more and more and more. But then in the 2000s and in the few decades preceding the 2000s, we see this sharp increase, this what we would think of as exponential growth. The size is still increasing, but the rate of population growth is actually decreasing. So we see that the shape of the curve is starting to change. It's starting to change from a positive slope to a less positive slope, a very steep slope to a more gentle slope. Look at some of the different some of the different events that have caused changes in the data. We have the rise of agriculture, and if we zoomed in here, we would see a significant increase in the population. Then we see plowing and irrigation, those technologies also resulted in increased population growth. The bubonic plague was devastating, and it actually lowered the population for a short time. And then the Industrial Revolution really kicked off this really great population growth that we are still experiencing. Although, as I said before, it is starting to level out.